In this video I will show you how to replace the heater blower motor on 2007 to 2013 Chevrolet Silverado. Step number 1. Park the truck on a level surface, engage the emergency brake and place blocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Open the passenger side door and remove the center console side trim using a plastic trim removal tool. Insert the tip of the tool into the slot where they meet and pry it outward to release it. Once released, remove the trim piece and set it aside. 3. Next, remove the 4 screws securing the passenger side lower plastic shown on the screen cover using a screwdriver or ratchet and a 7mm socket. 4. Once the screws are removed, proceed to remove the cover completely by pulling it straight out with your hands. 5. Release the damaged heater blower motor by pulling on the small locking tab with one hand and simultaneously turning the motor in a counterclockwise direction with the other hand to release it. 6. Once the motor is released, partially pull the motor down and disconnect the electrical plug by pressing down on the connector lock and pulling outward simultaneously to completely disconnect it. 7. Next, connect the electrical plug into the new heater blower motor pressing inward on the connector. 8. Install the new heater blower motor in its original position in the reverse order the old motor was removed, ensuring that it is seated all the way. 9. Once the blower motor is installed, perform a quick test by turning the heater or air conditioning system on and cycle the fan through all the speeds before installing the plastic cover. If it works correctly, proceed to install the lower plastic cover in its original position in the reverse order of removal, ensuring the screws are tightened firmly. 10. Install the side trim in its original position, pressing inward with your hand to ensure it fits correctly. That's how simple it is to replace the heater blower motor on 2007 to 2013 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra pickup trucks.